Me too.
I think I've seen that one too.
What else you guys?
I know, and then he's like
send
me your ideas, and he sends him this idea.
Wait,
You get like
wait.
this thing. It says chicken in a can,
Oh, you got
and it's like in a can, but it's already like a
You're taking a
cooked like
picture,
full
aren't you?
chicken. Like it looks like
You know
a
what a
fucking
chicken in
full
a
chicken.
can
It's
is?
like this big with the legs and
It's
everything.
like an entire, like,
Chicken
And it
always
looks
comes up
absolutely
in
disgusting.
size of a
And he tells him to eat 6 out of it.
Haley,
Did he do it?
chicken.
Yeah,
always
he
comes
ate
up
all
in-
6.
He
Fucking
ate
all-
6.
every
Chicken always
night.
comes in a what?
Fucking disgusting.
Comes up and
That's
It's
fucked
pretty
up.
I know.
It's like I want chicken breast last night. He's talking about chicken right now. It's like chicken is always right here.
Food always comes up in this house,
No,
motherfucker.
if you had just looking at it, maybe you want to throw up. It was so
Somebody put it in
disgusting.
there. You put it in there.
Somebody put what? You fucking messed it up.
No, like,
Yeah.
I want a fucking parrot. Does anybody else like want a monkey or a parrot like sit on their shoulder
Yes.
and say shit? Like parrots are cooler because monkeys are cool, but they can't say shit. But
Monkeys
parrots
can
can't.
do cooler shit, but parrots can talk.
Yeah, but parrots can talk. So
I'd
like,
rather have a monkey.
I'd rather have a parrot than I could teach them like safety tips to like blurt out at me like at random times, so that way I don't like hurt myself. In case of an earthquake, get in the doorway. Thanks, parrot. Here's a grape.
I ain't your baby's daddy.
Or nobody gets freckles on their ass. Wear a condom. Thanks, parrot. Here's another grape.
I don't have freckles, but I got balls on my ass.
Oh my god. You what?
Two-way chipper.
I don't have freckles, but I got moles on my ass. Quit taking pictures.
Oh, that's just gonna take a picture.
You're making a video.
Don't
Yeah, she
take
is.
pictures.
You're making a
No,
video.
I'm not.
It's the only thing iPhones are good.
Is that a 3GS?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
No, that's
Oh,
a 3GS.
Video right now.
Yes, the 3GS, motherfucker. Katie, are you in there with Zach Moore?
Fuck that.
They're fucking.
Fuck.
They're gonna do it.
Fuck that.
No, they won't. Katie doesn't play hopscotch.
Katie.
Fuck!
Oh, damn.
Katie, put it in his pooper. Just put it right in there.
Oh my god.
Katie has a dick.
Wait, she's not a guy? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You're gonna get slapped, son.
Oh my god, man, that was
That was
horrible.
me. That
That was worse than what I said.
I feel like you're taping this right now.
No, I'm
No,
not.
it's because
Yeah, you fucking are.
She really is.
Their new
It's okay,
iPhone. That's what it was
Because
made
the
for.
fucking parrot thing, I was hoping Andrew would say that again.
The what?
Well, I got more. I just keep-
What's
Daria,
more?
Daria,
I have like an endless amount of
the
jokes.
government
Yeah.
made that phone.
This is what we do when we get
The
stoned.
government made
We
that.
get drunk and high. And
The
then we
government
stand up
made that.
comedy and-
Yeah,
Because
turn
they
it
knew
off.
people would be at parties with these fucking iPhones, so
Turn it
people
off.
can make videos and
Get
post
it.
them on
Pretty
Facebook.
horrible.
Fucking
Will you please delete that video?
that we keep
So we can
doing
catch them
it.
doing
I know.
stupid shit.
It's too funny